Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you view watch history on Prime Video. So in order to view the watch history on Prime Video, you need to follow these steps. So what you need to do is to view this, you just need to make sure to open up your browser and type in primevideo.com and log in. After which you want to navigate to a Prime Video's website, access your account, settings. So when you go to the settings and then select watch history, this will display a list of your recent watch videos with options to delete the items as well. So at the bottom as well, at the home page, you could see continue watching. This is also considered to be a watch history. You could go and look for it. If you want to hide, you could just long press onto the particular show and click on hide this video, and you could then go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt. Likewise, you could also hide it from your profile. So click on the profile initials, go to the gear icon, and you could go ahead and click on clear video search history. And this is also another way in order to hide or view your watch history on Prime Video. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.